Taught.IT is a social file sharing program made just for teachers. It's a great way to find new resources and share a file with a colleague. Once you create an account, it's pretty easy. You can just log right in. If you don't have an account, you can sign up there at the bottom, and it'll bring you to the Taught.IT launch page. It's a great way where you can see the different recent activity that's happening in your network, as well as you can invite colleagues on the left, see your posts, your connections, and how many resources you've posted. To get started, it's really easy to share a file. You just click on the share file and select the file you'd like to upload. The first file I wanted to upload was maybe a PowerPoint that I've done, so the bio exam review today that we've done. I'm going to click upload on that. It takes a few seconds to upload, and you can then start to create the title. So if I wanted to do bio exam review SNC 1D7, and you can describe it. So I can say it's an exam review PowerPoint. And you can also allow you to do some hashtags. So I'm going to use my ministry codes, SNC1D, so that other people can find it. Also, I can use my different school, or you can use different types of ways to identify it. So I'm going to use that as biology. And you have a choice of either making it a public download link that you can share with other people not on Taught.IT, or you can just leave it as is. So I'm just going to create public as well so if people want to download it. So I can click save. So right now it's up. I can use this link here to send it to other people. I can use the QR code on this side, or I can tweet or email out the file. You can manage your files really easy under your resources tab, which allows you to then click on the file that you would want, and you can manage things where people can actually comment on it. You can see who's downloaded it, and you can also change your settings to how, if you like to have other people download or not, by clicking manage, and you can remove the public download link. You can delete the file. So it's great that you are the one actually owning the files. And that's really cool. You can also, if you're at school, you can click download, which will automatically download the file for you, and then you can use that file at school, or if you don't have your computer with you. In your network, you have a bunch of different people. So I'm just going to go to that section under my name here. And this brings you to my profile, so you can see a little bit about myself, and it shows you your activity, what you've downloaded on futures there. So under your connections, you can see who's connected with you and how many resources they've shared. So I'm just going to click on Jason from Alberta, and I can either view his resources, I can share things, see what he's up to, see what he's teaching, and it's really cool. So I can send him a message through there, I can remove him as connection, which I don't want to do, and I can browse his resources. So I can see his resources here. I can click on this, and if I want to download this, someone's already made some comments on it, and I can click download, and then I have that file automatically that I'm shared with him. So only people in your network actually access your files. So if you wanted to look at something about how to use something on iPad, I can type iPad at the top and see some things there. So here's something about reading iPads, and it's different lists of apps about reading iPads. So I would just click download, and then I can open up the file. Sorry, just off the screen, and there's a Word document that will open up with the different things about different apps that you can download. So I think Taught.IT's a great tool. There's lots of people on it, so I suggest join so that we can share files together. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to post in the YouTube section below. Thank you.